Godspeed.
Oh, kaya.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Taho.
Ang taho. Binunutan sa'yo, Ning. Baba. Huwag mo kamayin. Huwag mo masyadong... Nababa. Ayan si Nining. Bumili ng pizza. Ayan, nalagang 200 lang mga boss. Ay, magkano to, Ning? 180. Bumili si Ariana. Ito 200. May sukli pang 20. Ayan. Kuha kutsilyo dun. Ayan. Ano sabihin mo, Doy? Doy. Oh, ng pizza. Ayan. 85 lang to mga boss. Yung isa 95, yung Hawaiian. Yan, ito muna kakainin namin mga boss. Yan.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ariana. Badoy! Kain muna, kain.
Kain po.
Kain mga boss.
Well, I just had many cars with no fish, but I'm not losing hope because very first
Wala pa nga
I did see a long time, and when there's long time, there's GT somewhere. Conditions are really good, and the spot looks incredible. So yeah, we just keep fishing, eh? How cool is this? Let's get a fish. Very cool looking goat fish. Super beautiful. Monopoli. Just look how crazy those colours are. That's insane. But I think they want to keep it to eat.
Bagong luto yan mga boss.
Pwede na!
We can try in here. Maybe there's more
Good.
fish on this
Stop,
side
Badoy.
at the moment. See my pan? Oh, a bit on the bottom.
Isa.
Donut. Big
Si Nining, nakailan na yan, Ning?
donut. I thought everyone was talking
Bagong
about
bunot pa yan.
Also has a bed.
Bagong bunot yan. Ikaw, nakailan ka na?
It's not too bad right now, but later.
Ang bagal mo kumain.
We're not going to bed yet, right? Need to eat some food.
Yan. Tapos na. Ito ng isa naman.
Ilang balat?
180 lang to mga boss. Oh.
Ilang balat ng hiwa?
Aywan ko. Ikaw na maglagay ng ano. Para ano.
Ang tatlo, huwag mo lagyan.
Yung kay Badoy, huwag mo lagay. Yung kay Badoy, kay nahirapan siya kumain. Hawayan naman to mga boss.
8. Ito, oh, tatlo.
There's some mega amazing stars up there. I hope I get a fish. I'm really frothing to get something.
Ganyan kayo, Doy. Huwag mo lagyan kay Badoy.
Wala, nilagyan.
Dalawa sa'yo. Dali na.
Ito.
Hawaiian.
Feels like it's snowing.
Mga boss.
But it's pretty much it.
Oh my God! Wow!
Shit, my nose is so blocked, so I'm going to try and clear it out. It's still dark, and the boys are fishing. There's no point filming fishing in the dark, you can't see anything. So I'll wait for the sun to come up. It's just coming up pretty fast. So we're doing it here. I can ate a fish in a row. Lost it.
Unti lang naman eh.
Masarap siya pag bagong luto mga boss.
Fish in Japan. Whoa. Whoa, where am I? First cast of the morning. Ah. To see if we can catch something.
Tapon mo pa oh.
Okay na yan. Bigyan mo sa kanya yung tira.
Oh man. What a
Mga boss,
fast trip. Actually, it's not even just Yvonne, but this whole time in Japan has been mostly bad.
Kunin mo lang sa'yo dito.
I don't know what else to say, but let's keep fishing.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hopefully we get something.
Okay na yan.
You know what that means. It's been fished a lot.
Mangang mga boss.
Galin mo na yun. Tapos ilagay mo dyan yung pizza mo.
Ano nun eh, mangang? Kaya? Kaya? Hindi naman siya mangang doy.
Landing. Crash. Well, I got that crash landing on film then.
Ano doy, masarap? Mangang. Ikaw ni, masarap.
Go on.
Oh, kasi gusto mo. Bagong bunot yan mga boss.
Let's go. Do some exploring
Ano sabihin nyo, don't forget to subscribe.
in Japan.
Ayan, like and share.
Hopefully we find something cool.
Ang kain tayo mga boss.
Oh,
185, dalawang karton. 185 baning? 180?
180.
180 mga boss, dalawang karton. Hindi kinaya ni Badoy. Yung mga
Our hearts beat
oh, kaya.
to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.